In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho WorkDrive efficiently and effectively. This powerful tool is designed to streamline your file management process, making collaboration within your team a breeze. Let's dive right into exploring its user-friendly interface and understanding its core functionalities. As you open Zoho WorkDrive, one of the first things you'll notice is the left menu, which is your main navigation hub. This menu is organized to help you quickly access different sections of your workspace. Let's start at the top with Recent Files. This section conveniently displays the files you've recently opened or modified, allowing you to quickly pick up where you left off without having to remember specific file names or locations. It's especially handy for those projects you're actively working on. Next, we have Favorites. Just like bookmarking a web page, you can mark important or frequently used files as favorites. This keeps them accessible in one dedicated spot, saving you time spent searching and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks during your busy workday. It's a great way to personalize your WorkDrive experience according to your workflow. Moving down, you'll see Labels. Labels are an incredibly versatile tool for organizing your files. You can create custom labels and assign them to files and folders based on projects, priorities, or any category that fits your needs. This system improves your ability to retrieve documents quickly, especially when dealing with large volumes of data. The Shared With Me section is where you'll find files and folders that your colleagues have shared with you. This feature fosters collaboration by keeping all externally shared files in one place, so you won't have to sift through emails or chat messages to find them. It's all organized here, helping you stay on top of team interactions and shared responsibilities. Another useful feature is Collect Files. This allows you to request files from others, either within your organization or from external partners. With a few clicks, you can send out a link that enables recipients to upload documents directly to your designated folder. This not only streamlines the process of collecting information, but also ensures that all contributed files are organized and accessible in one location. Finally, let's talk about team folders. These are collaborative spaces where teams can share and manage their files collectively. Each team folder is a dedicated workspace tailored to group projects, making it easy to coordinate tasks and maintain an organized file system. You can control access permissions, ensuring that the right people have the right level of access, whether it's view-only, editing, or managing capabilities. Understanding these sections of the Zoho WorkDrive menu will significantly enhance your productivity and collaboration efforts. Remember, the key to mastering any tool is exploring its features and tailoring them to your needs. We hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it empowers you to make the most out of your Zoho WorkDrive experience. Happy organizing!